All right, this is a quick video about my method of recycling heat set inserts. Uh, this is common for, plastic parts that you've printed, put inserts in, or changed your mind, or iterated to something new. So what I use to install and remove is this standard heat set insert tip from CNC Kitchen. And the most important part is to use a variable temperature soldering iron. So in my case, I've got mine set to 300C right now. This is ABS. So it's just slightly above what I would use to print the part, so that I'm not just absolutely melting plastic when I put, or just making the plastic smoke if I touch it with the soldering iron. So process, just put the soldering iron in here. Just give it a little bit to heat up. And what I'll do is I'll heat the insert until I can feel it kind of moving freely in there. But I don't want to put a bunch of torque on that tip because I've broken them in the past by yanking on them. So I'll just let that heat. Okay, so that's moving freely in there. And I'll quickly just put the iron in there, grab a long M3, thread it in, wiggle it around. The insert pops out, and it comes out remarkably clean. Let's see if I can zoom in here. So the insert comes out without a bunch of crap on it, and it's not overheated. Part shot, but that's going in the trash anyway.